is a firefighter. She is inside a fire station. Today she's wearing her firefighter uniform. She's wearing a helmet, a coat, and boots. She's ready to go and fight a fire.
Hello? There's a fire? I'm coming.
She's riding in her fire truck and is going straight to the building on fire. It's the theater. The theater is on fire. All the inside is also on fire.
Good thing no one is inside.
Peppa uses her fire hose to extinguish the fire. There is a lot of smoke, but she manages to stop it.
Finally, I'm just glad the fire has stopped. And now we can save this building.
But for now, the theater has to close its doors because it needs renovations. To thank Peppa for her bravery and her courage, we're going to color this beautiful picture of her. And let's start with the yellow for her helmet. Now let's color her skin in pink. And her cheek in dark pink. Peppa has 2 gray stripes on her coat. Let's color them. And now we'll finish correcting her coat in yellow. Her boots are the color black. And we just finished coloring Peppa Pig as a firefighter. She did a good job today extinguishing that big fire in the theater. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.